Is your iPhone feeling slow after the iOS 26.4 update? You're not alone, but today we fix it. Welcome back to Phone Transformer. I've found 15 critical settings that will kill the lag instantly. From battery drain to typing stutters, we are diving deep into every hidden menu Apple changed. If you want your iPhone to feel brand new again, watch every second of this guide. Look at this interface: smooth, fast, and responsive. This is how 26.4 should actually perform. Most users ignore these settings and suffer from overheating and performance drops. But don't worry, actually, I've tested these on multiple devices to ensure they work. We will start with the camera and move all the way to deep system security. Ready to transform your phone? Let's jump into the first major setting. Trust me, setting number 15 is the ultimate secret for fixing that annoying keyboard lag. Why does an official update make a fast phone feel like a 5-year-old device? Background processors and unoptimized features are usually the main culprits here. Apple adds features like audio zoom and liquid glass effects that look cool but eat resources. If you are using an older model, these new animations can be a nightmare for your battery. Let's stop the lag. Open your Settings app and follow along carefully. Setting 1. Go to Camera, then record sound. See this audio zoom toggle? Enable it to focus the microphone on your subject when you zoom in on video. Setting 2. Head over to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Find Reduce Bright Effects. Turning this on minimizes those heavy flashing highlights. This simple change can give you an extra 10 minutes of battery life and better performance. Setting 3. For podcast lovers, go to Apps and select Podcasts. Enable Download Video so you can enjoy your favorite shows offline without buffering. Setting 4. Go back and tap on your Apple ID name at the top, then go to your iCloud settings and tap on your account name. Under iCloud.com, enable Allow Search to find your cloud files faster via trusted devices. See how much smoother the menus feel already? We are just getting started. Setting 5, this is critical. Go to Privacy and Security, then Background Security Improvements. Make sure this is set to automatic. Apple now patches threats without a full reboot. Setting 6. If you are a beta tester, go to General, then Software Update. Turn off beta updates to stay on the stable 26.4 build for maximum reliability. Setting 7. Let's talk battery. Go to Battery and look for Adaptive Power. This feature adjusts performance in the background when your usage is higher than normal. Setting 8. Right below it, enable Adaptive Power notifications to know when it's active. Setting 9. Back to camera settings. Disable Lock Screen Swipe to open camera. This stops accidental camera launches in your pocket that drain your battery instantly. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe to Phone Transformer. It really helps the channel. Setting 10. Under Privacy and Security, find Wide Accessories or Accessory Security. Set it to Ask for New. This protects your data when plugging into unknown cables. Setting 11. Do a privacy audit. Check which apps have access to your Bluetooth and local network. If an app doesn't need it, turn it off. It saves processing power and battery. We are moving into the most important part now, fixing the actual lag. Setting 12. Notifications. Go to Settings and then Notifications. Turn off notifications for games and apps you don't need in real time. Use Schedule Summary. Each notification wakes up the processor. Reducing them keeps the phone cool. Setting 13. For reminders. Users, go to Apps, then select Reminders. Enable Complete from Alarm for urgent reminders so they ring like a real alarm. Setting 14. Go to Face ID and passcode and find Stolen Device Protection. Make sure this is on. It adds a security delay if someone tries to change your Apple ID. Now, let's address that annoying keyboard stutter that everyone is talking about. Setting 15. Go to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode. This wipes the bugged cache and makes typing lightning fast again in iOS 26.4. Wait for the phone to process. You will notice the difference immediately. After doing all 15 settings, I highly recommend a simple restart. A reboot clears the RAM and lets the system apply all changes smoothly. Look at the scrolling speed now. It feels like a brand new iPhone. Your battery should also last significantly longer throughout the day. That covers everything you need to fix the performance lag on iOS 26.4. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video. Share this with a friend whose iPhone is running slow after the update. Thanks for watching Phone Transformer. Stay fast and stay secure. See you in the next one. Peace out.